let's look at the relationship between the production function and the marginal cost curve. As we discussed, the production function first increases and then decreases. And then what we have in this case is stage 1, the increasing returns, stage 2, decreasing returns, and stage 3, negative returns. 1, 2, and 3. Well, the production function is closely related to the marginal cost curve. And let's look at why. Labor is a cost. So we could almost cancel this out and instead call it money or a price. And as we can see here, the quantity in both curves, or in both graphs, is there. So if we flip this graph around, now we're looking at the marginal, or a graph of a typical price and quantity, and we would draw our marginal cost curve as the inverse, or the mirror image, I should say, of the production function. Marginal cost looks like this because of increasing returns following decreasing returns. So this area, stage 1, on our production function, we have increasing returns, would be associated with the range where the marginal cost curve is falling. So that's what I'll call stage 1. This area, stage 2, of decreasing marginal product is going to be an increasing marginal cost, and this is stage 2. And why is that? Well, if you look at the situation rationally, say if each worker is producing less and less and less, but we're assuming that all workers get paid the same, then the worker's output costs more money. So for example, if one worker gets paid $10 and produces 10 units, those units each cost $1 each. If that same worker or the next worker gets paid $10 but can only produce 5 units, then those units cost $2 a piece and marginal cost is rising. So every time marginal product is falling or decreasing, marginal cost is rising. Now, what about this area where we have the negative returns? Well, negative returns would never happen because that would mean that the firm is going to incur more costs. They're going to hire more people, but they're going to produce less. It would look like that, and a firm would never make that decision. So we don't even draw, there's no even real association with that because it's non-existent.